This challenge is called Extensions. It's a medium-level challenge from the Forensics category from the picoCTF 2019 event. The description says, "This is a really weird file, txt. Can you find the flag?" So the first thing we need to do to start this challenge is we need to copy the link address for the file, and then inside of our picoCTF web shell, we're going to create a directory to work inside of. So it's going to be mkdir and then extensions. And then we're going to enter the directory. And then we're going to download the file that's associated with the link that we just copied. So it's going to be wget and then space. And then we're going to paste in the link address with Control-Shift-V and then hit enter. We see now that we have the flag.txt file here. If we run file on the flag.txt file over here, we're going to identify the file type. So it says that flag.txt is a PNG image data file. So this is not what was advertised on the challenge description page. It said that this was a TXT file. So what we're dealing with here is an incorrect file extension. So file extensions are this portion of the file right here, .txt, and you also see .jpeg or .gif, .html. These are ways of telling the file system what kind of file that we're dealing with. So what we can do is we can rename this file so that it is a PNG file, and the computer will recognize it as such. So what we need to do here is we need to use the mv command to rename the file. So mv flag.txt, and we're going to rename it flag.png. And then hit enter. We now see that this file is now called flag.png. And if we use the file command on it, we see that it is also PNG image data, so this matches. The last thing we need to do is we need to download this file over to our own computer, because we can't view PNG files on the picoCTF web shell. So we can use the sz command along with the file name to download the file. So this is going to download the file to our own computer, and then we can open the file on our own computer here. And we see that inside of the image file, after we open it, we can see the flag. So it's picoCTF, now you know about extensions. So what we need to do is we need to copy out this flag. And after we've copied out the flag, we can go back to the picoCTF challenge description page, and in the challenge submission field, paste in the flag, and then click on Submit Flag. And then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.